Embarking on app modernisation as part of your digital transformation, workload modernisation, or greenfield application build can be a challenge. It often brings questions around when to modernise and build new versus enhance or refactor the current technology estate, incurring technical debt. Some of the benefits that modernisation unlocks are security, maintainability and scalability, speed to market, and user experience. Vulnerabilities are constantly evolving, and without modernisation of your apps and underlying infrastructure, you can expose yourselves unnecessarily to such threats. Through using platforms such as GCP to form the basis of your modernisation program, you can leverage the built-in security controls that these platforms can provide off the shelf. Breaking down your monolithic application into smaller, discrete microservices ensure that your business process is represented by a loosely coupled set of services that can be individually maintained or enhanced, as well as scaled appropriately to meet demand, thereby reducing the overall cost of operation and making efficient uses of the resources available to you. Through having a modern application stack, you can react to new feature requests, changes in the market, and ensure evolving regulatory compliance rapidly, prioritizing the services that add the most value or serve the greatest need to your business. Modern stacks enable you to also leverage open source frameworks and libraries to meet the needs of the business without having to develop from scratch, allowing you to move your applications from prototyping through to production in a safe, secure, and tested way rapidly. A prevalent driver for change is putting the customer at the heart of your business and providing an improved user experience. Through using modern application development techniques, you can not only deliver new features to customers, but also test the efficacy of these changes, giving you more data to inform your decisions and ensuring that you stand out from the competition. From my experience with clients, I've seen some key areas that give modernisation projects and programs a fighting chance of delivering successfully. My advice when considering this would be think big, start small, and scale fast. Spend the time to step back and define a vision for where you want to get to. Use this to map out at a high level how and what your customers will aspirationally experience, what metrics and KPIs you wish to target yourself on and improve, and crucially, how this vision aligns with that of the organisation. From here, you can take a lower level approach to understand how the technology components that underpin these journeys are broken down. Use proof of concepts and short, rapid development iterations to prove the most complex technology concepts and components. These de-risk the overall delivery up front and make sure that there isn't a technological block before you've even started. Through this process, make sure to engage with the system users and wider stakeholders to demonstrate the value that the vision will deliver on, and capture feedback and start building trust and confidence in the project, the technology, and importantly, the team. Once the foundations have been laid and there is buy-in from your stakeholders and the confidence in the technology, you can start scaling the delivery team to ensure that there is a constant, rapid release of benefit that can be measured via the metrics and KPIs previously defined and tied back to delivering against the vision. Using agile delivery methodologies is a great way not only to keep a larger team aligned in their activities, but keeping a continual focus on delivering the right components of the highest value to the business and being able to respond to changes in needs.